Okay, in this video I'm going to fix an electronic miter saw. It's stuck. It won't turn left and right. But I'm going to clean it first. So if you just want to see the fixed part, go to about 2 minutes 45 seconds and start there. So this one will not go left and right. You push the button. It will not turn. It's supposed to turn. It goes up and down. This won't even turn, although it's not latching anything. The first thing I'm going to do, blow it out a little bit. So I'm going to put a little bit of WD-40 on it just for the time being. I'm not going to oil it with WD-40. I'm just putting that on it to loosen some stuff up right here. Like I say, this hasn't got anything to do with, this is a lock after the fact, but it won't have anything to do with it right now. I need to take that off. Okay, so there's all 4 of those. I'm going to put them up here, out of reach. Put this stuff up there. Okay. Now, a bunch more stuff needs to be blown off. Get my scraper on, that's what I need to do. Alright, now, I need to get this off of here. Car's not in very good shape as it is. Okay, get these out of here too, so they don't get bumped and lost. Alright, so this is the big bolt on the bottom that holds it all. Oh, wrong socket. It holds everything. Oh, it's on there too. It's on there. It's turning. Right there would be loose enough to let it turn. Now let's see how shaky it is. This is a little more loose than I want. So I'm going to do it again. Might be too tight, or it could be just right. Okay, it'll work there, but I'm going to loosen it just a little bit. Okay. Okay. That should do it. Okay.